Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am doing another Get Ready With Me, and it is featuring the Maybelline Nudes of New York palette. So if you would like to listen to me chat and get ready with me, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to use my Brighten and Glow Eye Cream by First Aid Beauty. And I already applied my face moisturizer and my sunscreen. I know it's been a while since I posted the other Get Ready With Me, but this is literally the day after that one. The Get Ready With Me where I filmed my first impression, like with the Wet n Wild Color Icon Walking on Eggshells eyeshadow palette. I was over at my friend's house really late last night, and we had some wine and was just like having girl chats out on her porch with her little fire pit and everything. And I feel so tired this morning. Like, I did not get enough sleep. I've been having, this is a little bit TMI, but I've been having really bad period cramps, and that woke me up in the middle of the night, so I didn't sleep very well. I have my coffee here. It's like, let's hope it's still warm. Okay, it's a little warm. It's not super hot anymore. But the reason why I'm up kind of early today, I am getting a new car today. I have been waiting for this car for 7 or 8 months now. I had to get on a waiting list. It's a Toyota Prius, and like Toyota, they may have changed, but back whenever I wanted to get this car, they weren't taking any orders. You had to literally get on a waiting list. I got on the wait list at the end of February, beginning of March, and it literally felt like I was never gonna get this car. I've been basically saving my money for the past like several years to be able to buy this car. So even though I got laid off from my job, I can get this car and I'm not gonna have a car payment because I saved up my money for this car. So I'm very excited about it. I know it probably doesn't sound like I'm very excited. I'm also like not talking super loud because Josh is working from home today and his office is right next to my room, and I don't want to disturb him like while he's working. But, and also too, it's like I probably just don't sound very excitable because I am kind of tired today. Sure, I'll definitely get some pictures with my car, so I'll just insert the pictures so you guys can see. But like, the new 2023 Priuses are beautiful. They look nothing like the old Priuses. And it's very similar to what my car that I currently drive, like what it looks like. And the car that I drive is a Scion TC, and I have had that car since 2007. I bought that car new, and I've had it for like, what is this? I think this is like year 16 of having that car. It has over 200,000 miles on it. Like, it has almost 210,000 miles. And so I knew that I was going to be needing to get a new car once it hit like 200,000 miles. Well, even before that, like, I was saving money because I knew at some point like it was just going to kind of wear out. And my dad's like worked on that car and got it like running better, but it's still not like where it needs to be, and it's not like a super trustworthy car anymore. Like, I always get nervous if I have to drive it like super far. Like, sometimes I'm afraid it's not going to make it places. I was definitely in need of a new car. I feel like probably not too many people, or at least not too many people I know, have like driven the same car for 16 years. I know a lot of people do, but I'm just saying, I feel like a lot of people I know don't. But my Scion TC, it was a really good car, and I have enjoyed driving that car so much. But yeah, my Prius that I'm getting is very similar looking to my old car. If my car was in better condition than my Scion, I wouldn't even care to get a new car because I actually still love my Scion, but she's just getting so worn out and I can't really rely on her anymore. But anyway, so now let's do concealer. I feel like you guys know the routine on this. I actually filmed a separate video just on like my long wearing foundation routine because it's on this routine that I'm currently doing for you guys. Sometimes if I think a video might get kind of long, or you know, maybe I don't have too much to chat about, I'll probably skip my foundation step, just because it will seem a bit redundant. But I'm using the Tarte Glow Wand in the shade Alight, and I like to use this as an under eye brightening product. It does a really good job of like counteracting dark under eye circles and just kind of like brightening up that area, which I definitely need that this morning. It's like, also, I haven't told my parents yet that my car came in and that I'm gonna go pick it up. Like, Josh and I were gonna go here in the next hour and go get it, but I was just gonna surprise them, like, because they're both at home today. I was just gonna drive over there after I got my car and surprise them. I feel like everyone around me is kind of they have been more antsy about me getting this car than I have. Like, I've been super patient, just like waiting, but all of them, I feel like they're asking like updates all the time. Like, have you heard anything else about your car? Have you heard anything else about your car? I'm like, no, I will let you know as soon as I get it. I'm glad that everybody is so excited for me, but it's just funny to me. And then I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. The only complaint I have about Tarte Shape Tape concealers is, does it drive you all insane that like the product builds up and then it starts squishing like out of the lid and then it starts getting everywhere? They need to figure out how to make that better, because it's very annoying, and I feel like I have to get like a separate bag or something to put those in so it doesn't get crap all over my makeup. Like, I usually take like a paper towel or something after I use those and like wipe them off really well, but sometimes it still leaks out and it's so annoying. I'm also trying to get like a good backlog of videos filmed so I can be really consistent with my posting schedule for you guys. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. I still love the e.l.f. Brow Lift, but that stuff is really full on and gives your eyebrows a really good brow lamination effect. When I just want like a more natural look, I've just been using this stuff. So we're going for a more natural look today. But I'm thinking of just filming some standalone videos, tutorials on how I go about doing my brows, just so they can have their own little video. Like maybe to do like natural brows and like how to do like laminated brows. And then I'm just gonna go in with my NYX Micro Brow in Cool Ash Brown. Yesterday, I completely forgot to put on my bronzer whenever I was doing the get ready with me, and I really enjoyed the way that looked to just have a blush on and no bronzer. So I'm gonna do that today. I've really been enjoying these Wet n Wild Hello Halo blush highlighter duo things, and I'm thinking I might do this one today. Flash Me, I've been loving that one. It's like, this is also a pretty color. I think I'm gonna go with this one though. This is I Met Someone. I guess I'll just use my Wet n Wild blush brush. I'm kind of mixing the highlighter and the blush. Oops. The more I mature, my skin matures, the bigger my pores have gotten. And sometimes I don't like super illuminating things on me because I feel like all it does is like accentuate my pores a little bit more than I would like. But I'm just trying to embrace that. I know that we're all so conditioned to feel like we should have the most smooth, almost plastic-like skin. And that is just not how people's skin is. Like, everybody has pores and texture on their skin. So I'm just trying to embrace it and know that that is normal and stop trying to be a plastic doll because it's just not normal. I do have some fine lines like around my eyes and stuff. Like when I smile, it's really wrinkly, but I think they're kind of cute. And I know that that's weird to say because I feel like a lot of people would be wanting to get Botox if they were me, because they would feel like, oh my gosh, like I'm getting such bad fine lines. Because like one of my lines, my laugh lines is like pretty long, like it goes all the way back to here. But you know what? We are embracing the wrinkles over here. Not to say that maybe in the future I might change my mind and want to get some Botox, but I really don't see myself changing my mind on that. I want to just age naturally. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Sin. I need to leave here at 10 and we've got 15 minutes. So I think I might use one of the other Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes, or I might use the Maybelline Nudes of New York because I ended up buying that palette after visiting Abby. I really enjoyed that. And I think these colors in this palette, it's perfect for fall. I'm thinking I might use this today just because I feel like it goes with my top really well. What I was saying is, not that I never jump on trends, but sometimes when I feel like everyone is doing something. Most people in the beauty community get Botox and fillers and all of that sort of stuff. And I'm not bashing it and saying it's bad or wrong or that you shouldn't do it. I think if it's something that you want to do and it makes you feel more confident and comfortable, you should totally do it. Sometimes I'm really turned off when I feel like a bunch of people are doing something. It makes me want to run in the opposite direction and not do that thing. I've always kind of been like that. So I think that's part of the reason why I don't really want to get Botox. Another reason is I'm just kind of scared to do it. And 3, it's expensive, or it can be like expensive over time if it's, you know, you have to upkeep it like every 3 to 6 months. So those are kind of the main reasons why I don't want to do it. Let's go in with Creator, the shade right here. And I'm using the Morphe M441. But yeah, I mean, no shade, no hate on anybody that gets it done, because I definitely have a lot of people in my life that do get Botox, and like I said, I don't see anything wrong with it. I also don't see anything wrong with plastic surgery if it's like something that somebody really wants to do and can afford to do it. Like, if you want to do it, go for it, you know? You just have to research the risks of things and figure out, is it worth the risks? And like I said, can you afford it? Because that's like another thing too. People buying these procedures and doing these things when they can't really afford it and going super in debt. It's like, for what? Just doesn't make any sense to me. Okay, and then I'm going to use Dreamer, the shade up here. Just gonna apply that with my finger. I've really been into applying things with my fingers these days. It's like when I don't have nails, I have to take full advantage of that. And then I'm gonna grab some of Originator and I'm gonna pop that right here on the center of the eyelid. Yeah, that's really pretty. But I'm going to be filming a 4 looks video with this palette. So stay tuned for that if it's not up yet. Yesterday I wore Cheeky. Love this. The Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink in Cheeky. Such a pretty color. I'm gonna wear this again. And to give my eyes a more bright and awake look, I'm gonna apply my Benefit pencil. I just have to figure out where I put it. Here it is. The Highbrow Duo Pencil in Linen Pink. If you want to look awake, just get one of these. And then I'm going to put a little bit of that in the inner corner too. And then I'm also going to put a little bit of this on my brow bone. So yeah, just a simple, nice, everyday look. And I'm gonna go ahead and mist my face, and then I'll do my mascara. And I think I'm gonna use the dewy one today, the Ultra Glow from Urban Decay, the all-nighter. I feel like the sprayer on this one's a little messed up. All right, and now I'm just gonna curl my lashes up and apply my mascara. I'm just using my Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational in the shade True Brown. I hope that you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. If you did enjoy this, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know, I don't know, whatever you want to talk to me about down in the comments. I would love to chat with you, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.